Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Duniya. In this episode, let me bring to you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day, 30th May 2022. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that if you are not yet opened your accounts, trading and demat, Upstock is a leading broker and a trustworthy broker. You can open your accounts free of cost, and the trading platforms and the analysis tools provided by them are excellent. So now let me tell my viewers that those who are using my strategies for trading, always take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So now let me come to the Nifty open interest analysis first. Now the highest call build-up is around 17,000. So you can see highest call build-up. Highest put is somewhere distributed 16,300 and also at 16,000. So currently Nifty is almost around 16,600. So there is a chance that if it takes out 16,600, it can go as high as 17,000, and on the lower side 16,300 will be strong support, and also if that breaks, then we have got 16,000 as the major support. And you can see the maximum pain where almost the call and put positions are equal. So you can also see the maximum pain level at 16,500. 16,500 is the maximum pain level. Yeah. Now also you can see at 16,300 also the maximum pain. Maximum pain means both put holders and call holders will fight. So 16,300 also you can see call and put positions, and 16,500. Now let me come to the Nifty change in open interest. Erase the data. Yeah. So let me come to the change in open interest. Okay, so it is up there on the screen. You can see the maximum change has happened. So you can see the put build up. Yeah, 16,500. Yeah, 16,500 is going to be major resistance because many people have shorted the put. Yeah, so put is going to be strong at 16,500. And next you can see on the call side nothing is there. Nothing much is there, and also 16,600 also 16,600 also positions are built. So both are going to be major resistances, 16,500 and 16,600. Now let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty open interest. So as you see in Bank Nifty, first Bank Nifty open interest currently. See the maximum call writing has taken place at 36,000. 36,000. And next level of call writing has taken at 36,500. So 36,000 is going to be a major resistance, and next 36,500 will be a major resistance. On the put side, you can see highest put writing is around 35,500 put writing, and next put writing level is 36,000. Okay, so now if you see this data point very clearly, 36 is a maximum pain level. So this is maximum pain, 36,000. Both put writers and call writers will fight at this level. If suppose 36,000 takes out on the higher side, then we may see 36,500. Okay. Lower side no calls written. On the higher side call is at 36,500. Lower side no call writing. And the puts, if you see, if 36,000 breaks, on the lower side we'll have 35,500. Another 500 fall. Now let me come to the change in open interest. change in open interest. Let me concentrate. Yeah, that is change in open interest on your screen. Now we can see highest change has taken place at 36,000. So that is the maximum level, 36,000. Yeah, then hardly you can see much changes, and 36,100 also is written on the higher side. Okay, so now let me come to the FII positions. Yeah, as you can see, the FIIs are net sellers to the tune of 1,943 contracts, and on the lower side, DIs have sold 2,727 crores. So net to net, DIs purchased and FIIs are sold amount equal amount. Okay, now let me show you the client wise derivative positions. So this data is pertaining to the client wise positions. Future index long and future index short. You can see FIIs are long on the index. Yeah, FIIs are long on the index. Then FIIs are even long in the call. Then FIIs have shorted call. Okay, so FIIs are basically long. Now, what about the DIs? So, DI data in the futures, their position is almost nil. What about the retail clients? Retail clients are long on call. Yeah, and retail clients' position in index is almost equal. They have shorted calls on the higher side for hedging. Now, professional traders, you can see long on the call. Okay, net to net indicating that almost neutral, but neutral to positive. Yeah, retails are neutral to positive. FIs also are neutral to positive, but FIs are selling in the cash market. Okay, next let me come to you with another chart. Yeah, so these are the FII and DI data. Okay, participant wise open interest. You can see here FIIs, index and short. Index, let me just close this. Yeah, FII positions index wise, put long. Yeah, and on the call side, put short. These are the open interest positions. Now on the retail clients are long on put. Okay, they have shorted put more. So these are long and put positions, call and put positions added, that is open interest positions. Okay, it is indicating that FIS still they are long on put and they have shorted put. Okay, and one more thing to note here is professional traders almost neutral. You can see the data almost neutral. So only retail clients and FIIs, they have long on put and they have shorted the put. Okay, so I stop here with the open interest. Now all important will come to the charts. What are the current charts suggesting? Okay, that is the most important thing in my presentation. What are the charts? So first let me come to the Nifty chart. So as you can see, the markets have opened higher. markets opened higher. So they are trading at around 16,113. They are trading just above the very crucial 16,600. That is the major resistance level. Okay, they have broken the resistance. The first resistance was at around 16,409. The second resistance level was 16,463. All broken today with a very big gap up. So now market is trading at around 16,113. So how do you trade your position today? As you can see, maximum pain you have observed from the Nifty open interest position. So it is trading above that. Okay, so if market continues to trade above 16,600, so there is a chance that this week it can even touch 17,000. There is a chance, and because the next level of call writing is at around 17,000. But if you see the market continuously trading below 16,600, you can sell Nifty for a target of 16,463. Yeah, but only if it is trading continuously below 16,600. So and the pivot is placed around 16,316. So that is the central pivot, and since it has opened with a large gap up, 17,000 is the next target. Now it is at around 16,617. So this is the Nifty view, and let me come to the Bank Nifty view for today. Yeah, even Bank Nifty has opened with a big gap up. Okay, central pivot is around 35,534. So that is the central pivot, and we are trading above the resistance of 35,934, and clearly closing above it, 36,000. Yeah, on dips to 35,934, you can buy Bank Nifty for a target of 36,500. So 36,500 will be the target. So you can buy on dips. But if the market is continuously trading below 35,934 and below, so you can sell Bank Nifty for a target of 35,776, and next target is 35,534. Okay, only on dips, but there is a higher probability of Bank Nifty going upwards, because 36,500 is the next level where the calls have been written. Yeah, you have to observe Bank Nifty on dips below 35,934. You can sell for a target of 35,776. If it is continuously trading above 35,934, you can buy for a target of 36,500. So that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for 30th May. Today, all important. Don't be in a hurry to buy puts or selling the call. Just wait for levels to break. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So these are the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for you today. Trade cautiously. Have a nice trading week. Thank you.